Welcome to Starmind TV. Today, we are going to have so much fun learning about addition. Addition means putting numbers together. Today, we'll start with +1 and +2. Are you ready? Let's go! Here is one apple. If we add one more apple, how many do we have? Let's count together. 1, 2. That makes 2 apples. Here are 2 shiny stars. If we add one more star, how many do we get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That makes 3 stars. Here are 3 colorful balloons. If we add one more balloon, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 4 balloons. Here are 4 bananas. If we add one more banana, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes 5 bananas. Here are 5 butterflies. When we add one more butterfly, how many do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes 6 butterflies. Now it's your turn. If we have 4 apples and add one more apple, how many apples are there? Yes, you're right. There are 5 apples. Great job! Let's try adding 2. Here are 2 balloons. If we add 2 more balloons, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 4 balloons. Here is one little puppy. If we add 2 more puppies, how many puppies are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. That makes 3 puppies. Now look at these 3 stars. If we add 2 more stars, how many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes 5 stars. Here are 4 pretty flowers. If we add 2 more flowers, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes 6 flowers. Here are 5 puppies. If we add 2 more puppies, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes 7 puppies. Time for another quiz. If you have 2 apples and you add 2 more apples, how many do you get? Yes, that's right. 4 apples. Well done. Always remember that +1 means add 1 more. +2 means add 2 more. Great job, kids! See you next time! Subscribe for more fun learning! Bye-bye!